everybody, it's Duct Tape Creations 13 here, and I made a duct tape squishy, and I'm going to give credit to DUCTTAPENICO. Here it is. I made mine a little bit smaller, yeah, and it's not very decorated because I'm running out of time. I have to get ready for a football game, but here it is. Go look up DUCTTAPENICO. It's all caps, and you can make one. But I really like it because I've always wanted a squishy. But I don't know. But I finally get to have one because I've always wanted one. Yeah, and this is not my best because it's like my first one. It's like sticky and stuff. But cotton balls. I didn't use foam. I used cotton balls. That's what he said. Well, he didn't say cotton balls, but I think it's what it was. But which is squishy now. I have another wallet to show you. That's for sale. I mean, I've had it done for like a very long time. But let me go get it. Whoa. Here it is. It's a barcode wallet. Oh wait, I've showed y'all this. But I made it into a trifold. So I'll just get it so quick. I need to make this smell. This smell. But subscribe, like, comment. Oh yeah, I hope y'all like this video. And message me or comment below for a wallet or something. And I promise if you want one of these, I'll make it better. Because I was just in a hurry. And I'm like really shaky. Because, yeah. But, see y'all later.